In this video, I will describe how the Space Navigator works with 3DCoat. In 3DCoat 2021, the support of 3DConnexion devices was essentially updated. Now it works very similar to other applications use the newest 3DConnexion SDK. Most options are controlled with 3DConnexion settings, not by 3DCoat. Press the menu button in 3DCoat in 3DConnexion device. There you may change how the navigation works. For example, you may lock horizon. Generally, I don't recommend lock horizon mode. It is less predictable when you will try to place objects. So I will work without this mode. You may also vary the speed of controls if need, and assign different actions to buttons. 3DCoat works a bit differently in orthographic mode. For example, if you will snap to view, then 3DConnexion device will not rotate the view, but will move and scale only. To go out of this mode, you may just move the mouse. Press and move the mouse. You may vary the zoom speed in orthographic modes using preferences. Now almost all options are moved out of preferences, left only two options that may not be controlled through the 3DConnexion control panel. Now, 3DConnexion device may be used not only to navigate but to place objects, transform objects, posing, and even painting in space. You may activate this mode using the hotkey. You may assign own hotkey or use the default one, N. When you activate this mode, the object will be transformed instead of navigation. So you may, by default, the object will be transformed with the 3DConnexion device. Press N again or press Escape to stop this mode. The rotation will be performed around the current peak point if you navigate and around the object peak point if we are transforming the object. If we will activate the primitives tool, then primitive, position, and rotation may be controlled by 3DConnexion device if we will activate the placement mode. Press N again, and now we may move the object. We may even paint with that object in space if we will activate the trace mode. You see, it paints, it leaves trace. 3DConnexion device may be used also with import tool. You may choose the object and place it. And also with pose selection. Let's select the object. And now it will be rotated using the 3DConnexion device. It's very convenient. Of course, gizmo will be hidden as soon as you will start any transformation. And of course, speed of movement may be changed using the preferences. If you need to move objects faster, change the speed, but it will not change the speed of rotation, only the translation speed. If you want to change speed of rotation, you need to go to the 3DConnexion control panel and change the sensitivity settings here.